Hello, you are welcome to this geometric challenge. In this video, we want to find the values of the following angles as regards the circle geometry. Now, this particular figure is what is called a cyclic quadrilateral. It is called a cyclic quadrilateral because the quadrilateral, that is four-sided figure A, B, C, D, you can see it has four sides A, B, B, C, C, D, and AD, is inscribed inside a circle. And so whenever you have a quadrilateral being inscribed inside a circle, the combination of that particular formation is called what? A cyclic quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral in circle. Now, we are asked to find the following angles. The ones under references are B, D, A, B, D, and A. Okay. Now, for us to be able to do that, we have to make use of the properties of cyclic quadrilateral. But by and large, if you observe closely that it is clear that triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle that has two sides equal and two angles equal. So we can start by saying that, let's start with AB is equal to BC. Line AB is equal to BC. Why? Isosceles triangle. Now that is clear. AB is equal to BC. So if that happens, it means that BCA, that is BCA, not BCD. BCA is going to be what? 50 degree. The reason, so that this angle of isosceles triangle what? Triangle ABC, because triangle ABC is isosceles. The other triangle is not isosceles. Okay, so that means we have gotten 50 degree here because it's a base angle to the isosceles triangle. Now to get ABC, which is this, is very easy. Okay, so adding this together, subtracting the result from 180, get this. So ABC plus 50 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of angles in a triangle, that is ABC now will be plus 100 is equal to what? 180 degree, because when you add them together, you have so ABC equals to what? 180 degree minus 100. That's when you take 100 to that side, it becomes minus. So we have, this is 80 degree. Okay, so we have gotten the first one, ABC. Now, how do we get ADC? ADC, so easy. Now, let's clean this up. Let's clean this up and look for the other one. Okay, now, to get ADC, this angle, ADC. Now, note, number 2, ABC plus ADC must be equal to 180 degree. Opposite, the reason is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So each time you have a cyclic quadrilateral, their opposite angles must be 180 when you add it. So that means an ABC has been got to what? 80 degree plus ADC that we are looking for must be equal to 180. So ADC now, when you make ADC of a formula, that will be 180 degree minus 80 degree. That's 100 degree. Okay, so this angle is 100. Now we are done with the second one. The third one, DAC. Wow, this is easy. How? Fine. Because obviously DAC. DAC is a triangle, and sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, the third one, DAC, without wasting our time, would be what? 180 degree minus 25 plus 100. 100 plus 25. Okay? Yes. I hope that is clear. I hope you are getting that. So that what? 180 degree minus 125 degree. So that will be what? 55 degree. So DAC will actually be what? 55 degree. So with that, we have come to the end of this problem. Bye.